Hey, where's the scene? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I track my progress as a relatively new algorithmic trader. And then of late, we've been trading on Darwinex. So in this video, we'll look at the May update for Darwinex, see what happened in April, and then what we would do moving forward. So with that being said, let me just jump straight into it. All right, so the month of April started off a bit rough. We were in a range for a couple of days. As you know, I only really trade the Nasdaq with Helios. Now, what happened was Helios does really well in trends, and I know that, and I even said it in my last video.
One of the things I'm thinking about doing is removing the Helios from Darwinex and putting on another bot that I have been working on, which is a constant work in progress because this bot called Plex.
And even though I said it, and I was thinking about switching to Plex, I didn't do it. And the range kind of whipsawed me around a bit. And I mean, Helios just couldn't deal with that very well. So we ended up taking 2.7, no, almost 2.75% drawdown for the month. So we still up about 7.5% on the account. But yeah, that is what happened. So I did take Helios off and switch to Plex. Now, Plex is more of a long-term trading strategy or trading algo that trades on a daily time frame. The only thing I was worried about is how the drastic difference in trades would be, because Helios would take about 500 trades a month, whereas Plex might trick about 3-4 times for the month. And holy trades are a lot longer, so trades could be held for a couple of days, maybe a week. Whereas Helios does trades, it could be as fast as 2 seconds. So I did the change. I switched across to Plex, and we'll see how we just monitor it and see how things go. I do have a bit more faith in that algo because I do trade it on my personal account, and we're up 67% since January. So with an 11% drawdown. So as a concern, work to improve both of them. Now, even though I took Helios off, I would be doing some work on it because I have been thinking about how to improve it during ranging markets. So yeah, that is the plan with that. If I do make the adjustments, I'll probably put it on a demo account for a couple months just to monitor it. And if I like what I see, I may put it back on Darwinex, but for now we are just using Plex. So yeah, this is where we at for the month of May. We at 7.5%. We still have the drawdown that we hit in February. We still have 60K of allocation because the initial 25 that was given in February has passed the 3 months. So yeah, we still have allocation for March and April, and we'll see if we could get for me, right? So the account reset, and we are at what, 70. So just with like 1 or 2 good trades, we should hit the 75 and see if we could get allocation for this month. So if we look at the Darwin IA and we look at my Darwin, right? So we see this is our first 3 months of allocation, and then we missed April. So yeah, this is where we are at. If you have any questions, don't forget you can leave a comment below, or you could head across the Discord, which is the first link in the description. We have a couple guys there who also build algos for MT4, MT5. If you have any questions, is the easiest place to get me to actually have conversations, questions back and forth. I do answer all comments on YouTube, but Discord is the easiest place to get me. So yeah, that is it for April, and that is kind of the plan moving forward. Well, not for April, for me. That is the plan moving forward. I will keep you guys updated. I still have some other videos that I have to do on the Plex back testing, and then to go over the strategy that, or the different strategies that it uses. But that will be, just stay tuned to the channel to see when I drop those. Right, so yeah, that is it for now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.